My name is Sаджеди Ардешир. I'm the Quality and Management Director of the Progress KZ company in Kazakhstan. Today I was placed as a jury here for the concourse that the Kazakhstan make it that one. It was so interesting concourse for the new specialists. I believe so that we should continue such a concourse in each year. And we should have it the more nominant for that one. It's a big help for them to keep going in their way. But I believe so that we should increase the quality of this technical and scientific things. But for me, it was a respect to all these specialists that this is coming today, and it was so good for me to work as a jury. This is the second time I'm coming to the exhibition like that. The first one was 10 years ago, I believe so. And after that, right now is coming. In each year, the exhibition is coming better and better, and I believe so is step by step is coming as an international. So a lot of international companies right now here, and the Kazakhstan participants is a lot. And I can see a lot of companies from Russia and from Ukraine, but I believe so is one of the most interesting exhibition in Kazakhstan, and it is so good for Kazakhstan to have such an exhibition.